Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arctic Explorer raw skin and fish it Christmas update. So in here, I've already inside the Christmas cave in Christmas Island. So first you can just talk to chat the NPC inside the cave. Click on start quest. So once you click on start quest, this cave explorer will start, and then you can just catch 300 fish at the Christmas cave. So in here you'll see the arrow, so it gives you hint to catch some fish in here. So you can just go fish inside the cave until you got this or fulfill this amount. So I'm going to just go up, and once you finish that, you'll get the Arctic Explorer rod skin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.